Hey, it's 2025 and let me tell you, if you're not coding with AI, you're seriously falling behind. Bold statement? Yeah, but let's be honest, AI is flipping the software development world upside down, and it's happening fast. Today, I want to show you some of the best AI coding assistant tools that will make you feel like you've got a whole squad of developers working with you. So let's dive right in. First up, we've got GitHub Copilot. If you haven't heard of this yet, you're missing out. It's basically like having a coding buddy who never sleeps. Built by GitHub and OpenAI, Copilot reads what you're coding and suggests full lines or blocks of code in real time. It works with tons of programming languages and integrates smoothly with IDEs like Visual Studio Code. The coolest part? It actually understands your comments and the context of your code. Pricing? It's $10 a month for individuals, $19 for businesses, and free if you're a student or an open source contributor. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about Amazon Code Whisperer. Amazon really brought their A-game with this one. It's designed to fit perfectly into your existing coding environment, and it's amazing when you're working with AWS-related projects. It supports languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript, and it even runs security scans to catch vulnerabilities. Best part, it's free for individuals, $19/month for professionals, and custom pricing for enterprises. Alright, now let's level up and talk about AI tools for full-on code generation. This is where things get wild. Meet Claude by Anthropic. This isn't just some code suggestion tool. Claude can take your high-level ideas and turn them into fully functional code. It works across multiple languages, understands complex requirements, and even explains what the code does. There's a free web version, $20/month for Claude Pro, and custom API pricing if you need something bigger. And of course, we've got to talk about ChatGPT. You already know it's taken over the world, but did you know how good it is at coding? You can ask it to generate code snippets, debug errors, or even write whole programs. It supports so many languages and even helps you optimize your code. There's a free version, $20/month for ChatGPT Plus, and custom pricing if you're running a business. Now, here's a game changer, Cody by SourceGraph. What makes Cody special is that it doesn't just focus on the file you're editing, it understands your entire project. So the code it generates actually fits your project's style and conventions. It's free for individuals, $9/month for Pro, and has custom enterprise options. For all my designers out there, let me introduce you to Visual Copilot. This tool is a lifesaver if you're working with Figma designs. It turns your designs into clean, production-ready code for frameworks like React, Quick, Solid, React Native, and even HTML. It even generates responsive layouts with styling options like CSS, Tailwind, and styled components. You can try it for free with 50 code generations, or upgrade to $19/month for 500 generations and $39/month for 2,500. Now let's talk teamwork. Pieces for Developers is a tool that helps you save, share, and reuse code snippets effortlessly. It automatically tags and organizes your saved code, suggests relevant snippets based on what you're working on, and makes it super easy to share code with your team. And right now, it's completely free, though they plan to release paid plans soon. Finally, let me introduce you to something really clever. MicroAgent. This open-source tool uses unit tests as guardrails to make sure the code it generates is high quality and bug-free. It keeps generating and testing until everything passes. It supports JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python. If you're tired of fixing AI-generated code, this tool is for you. Honestly, the AI coding tools in 2025 are next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, these tools can seriously boost your productivity and creativity. The future of coding is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Oh, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to AI Decoder for more awesome tech content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.